Whether tariffs are coming or going, it's probably a good time to review your titanium powder, supply chain strength, and resiliency. There are a lot of exciting things going on in our industry and the world today. So I understand the angst and shared in it initially. The uncertainty revolves around three key areas. Number one, tariffs that impact raw materials such as powder. A 25% tariff on any foreign powder will likely mean a direct 25% price increase in non-US powder cost. Number two, uncertain Chinese supply chain availability and stability. We simply don't know how the Chinese government may react to these tariffs. At the least, there will be reciprocal tariffs, and at the worst, we may lose access to key raw materials. And number three, more emphasis on Buy America. On the surface, this sounds like a great thing, and it is, but if you're using titanium powder, for example, that quickly restricts your available supply. So what's the solution? Glad you asked. We have enacted a three-pronged approach to mitigate these risks and bring stability to our customers' businesses. Number one, we've secured long-term domestic sources for our feedstock, thus removing any concern there. It's not enough to know that we're atomizing in the US. You should also be concerned whether our raw materials are coming from the US, and it is. Number two, we're doubling down on our production capacity for titanium and specialty powder. We have our second atomizer due to land here in April, and we're already ordering our third unit. That easily puts us as the country's largest capacity for titanium and refractory powders. And number three, we're enacting long-term agreements with our key customers to allow them and us to better plan, budget, and execute on a fully domestic supply chain that ensures that their supply chain won't be interrupted. So what can you do right now? I'd suggest downloading our brief and dropping me a line so we can talk more about it.